The most valuable gift you can offer someone is your time. When you spend time with someone, you're giving them a part of your life that can never be regained. Time is precious, and choosing to share it with others shows how much they mean to you, more than any material gift ever could. Help others, not based on who they are or what they can offer in return, but because of the values and character you hold within. Your kindness should reflect your own integrity and compassion, not the expectations of others. True generosity comes from a pure heart without seeking anything in return. Remarkable achievements require time and perseverance. Patience is the key to overcoming challenges. Stay committed to your journey, and no matter how difficult it gets, never lose hope or give up. Success will come when the time is right. The greatest error we make in life is assuming we have plenty of time. We often delay our dreams, plans, and moments with loved ones, thinking we can do them later. But time is fleeting, and every moment is precious. Don't wait for tomorrow to live fully or to chase your goals. I'm not concerned with the opinions of others. I live my life on my terms, guided by my own principles and values. What matters most is that I find joy and fulfillment in being true to myself, without letting outside judgments define me. Seek someone who truly values your presence, who feels blessed to have you in their life and fears losing you. Find someone who will stand by your side through challenges, who genuinely appreciates and respects you. Look for the one who cares deeply for your well-being and loves you without any conditions or limits. Be cautious with how deeply you love, ensuring that the other person feels the same intensity for you. Love can be beautiful, but if it's not equally returned, the depth of your affection today may become the depth of your pain tomorrow. Protect your heart by waiting for mutual love and commitment. If someone mistreats you, keep in mind that the issue lies with them, not with you. Healthy, compassionate individuals don't engage in harmful behavior toward others. Their actions reflect their own struggles and insecurities, not your worth or character. Remember to value yourself and surround yourself with those who uplift and respect you. Pay attention to the whispers of the wind. It carries messages from nature. Embrace the stillness around you. It has its own language that reveals truths. Most importantly, listen to your heart, for it holds the wisdom you seek and understands your deepest feelings. The true transformation happens when you stop yearning to become a flawless version of yourself and start embracing who you are right now. Real growth lies in recognizing your worth and consciously enjoying the present moment, celebrating your uniqueness and imperfections as part of your journey. Don't hold yourself accountable for the choices you made in the past, especially when you didn't possess the knowledge or understanding that you have today. We all learn and grow from our experiences, and it's essential to recognize that past decisions were made with the awareness you had at that time. Allow yourself the grace to move forward without guilt. Happiness can be found through one simple path: letting go of worries about things that are beyond our control. By focusing on what we can influence and releasing the burden of what we cannot change, we create space for peace and contentment in our lives. Embrace the present moment and cultivate gratitude for what you have. The core principle of philosophy teaches us that a person should strive to live in a way that their happiness is largely independent of external circumstances. True fulfillment comes from within, rather than relying on outside factors or the approval of others. By cultivating inner peace and self-contentment, we can find lasting joy that isn't swayed by the unpredictable nature of the world around us. One unique reason why someone stays on your mind, even without talking. If someone stays on your mind, it could be because they are also thinking about you deeply.